Okay, can we just agree that this year has been a total fever dream? It feels like we all collectively blinked and the world went completely off the rails. We're talking about events so wild, they sound like they were cooked up in a writer's room for a show that got cancelled after one season. We're about to unpack the 10 most unhinged things that have happened so far this year. We've seen everything from tech that's giving major Black Mirror vibes to disasters that are just a lot. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the last one, because it's a classic case of great idea, but at what cost? Kicking things off with a legit nightmare scenario, a US Army Black Hawk helicopter literally flew into a passenger plane over American skies. I mean, how does that even happen in 2025? Don't we have apps for that? The internet went into a complete meltdown with footage of the collision, and everyone was left shook and demanding to know how something so catastrophically wrong was even possible. In a move that broke the hearts of millions, TikTok was officially yeeted from the United States. After years of back and forth drama about data and security, the government finally said, "Thank you, next." 1 minute you're doom scrolling through dance challenges and life hacks, the next, it's gone. The ban left a huge void, and the whiplash was real as creators and users scrambled to find a new digital home. But fortunately enough, that ban did not last. The Tesla truck finally went viral for something other than its weird shape. One of the indestructible trucks burst into flames and exploded right outside the Trump Hotel in Vegas. It was a whole scene. One person tragically died and several others were injured. The internet, of course, had a field day questioning whether a truck made of stainless steel was ever a good idea to begin with. But it turns out, maybe not. In news that feels both amazing and slightly terrifying, a patient in Zurich got a brand new heart that was 3D printed from their own cells. This is a game changer. It could literally mean the end of organ donor waiting lists. The fact that we can now print organs is just mind-blowing. Now, can they 3D print me a down payment for a house? That's the real question. Remember the pure, unfiltered panic when the internet just stopped working? For 12 whole hours, a massive solar storm knocked out connectivity across huge parts of the globe. It was like being thrown back into a dial-up era, but without the iconic modem sounds. People had to actually talk to each other. It was weird. It was also a not so subtle reminder that we are one solar flare away from a full societal collapse. Fun. In a story that doesn't cause immediate anxiety, a dude just vibing in his digger at a quarry in the UK accidentally uncovered over 200 dinosaur footprints. We're talking perfectly preserved tracks from 166 million years ago. It's honestly the most wholesome thing to happen all year and gives us a literal window into a time when giant lizards were just roaming around, living their best lives. Goals. So, for anyone who spent years learning to code, look away now. OpenAI lets its new AI, GPT 5.5, run wild, and it just decided to build a whole app by itself, from start to finish. The AI designed it, coded it, and pushed it live with zero human help. So yeah, that whole debate about AI taking our jobs is pretty much settled. Cool. In news that is tragically not new at all, Southern California had its annual apocalyptic wildfire season. Fueled by insane winds and a drought that never seems to end, the fires were bigger and scarier than ever. Tens of thousands had to evacuate, and the sky turned that signature shade of dystopian orange. It's become a whole season, like pumpkin spice lattes, but with more existential dread. To everyone who changed their dating app bio to crypto investor when Bitcoin hit an insane 200,000, how are you doing? Because the crash that followed was brutal. In just 2 weeks, the price tanked all the way back down to 42,000. Diamond hands turned to paper pretty fast, and a lot of fortunes vanished into thin air. It was the crypto roller coaster we've all come to know and love. And for the finale, we found a potential fix for our battery problem, but it comes with a huge catch. Scientists discovered the bottom of the Pacific Ocean is littered with these weird potato-looking rocks full of metals we need for green tech. The problem? To get them, we might have to destroy a whole deep-sea ecosystem we know almost nothing about. So now, there's a gold rush to the ocean floor, and it's a perfect summary of our times, trying to solve one problem by creating a whole new one.